Hi everybody, welcome. This illustration is about a high-low method, and high-low method is to find your variable cost per unit and fixed cost. You'll be given with the total cost, but it will not be a split of fixed and variable cost. You need to find it out through a suitable manner. And the method is, you'll be given with outputs, like these are your outputs. And you'll be given with the cost. So for example, these are your cost. Take my pen, cost. So what you need to find is, you need to find the highest output level and highest cost, or you can take the lowest. So here about, this is the highest, and 2011 is the lowest. So the formula is, you need to take units, you need to take money, highest and lowest. Highest units or outputs are 53,000 and lowest output 32,000. Money wise, for 53,000 it's going to cost you 20,000, and the other one is 505,000. Get the difference. So if I get my calculator here, 53 minus 32, I get 21,000. Oops, let me take my eraser. Yes, 21,000, and 820 minus 505, you get 315,000. 315,000. Well, you have to do is money divided by 315,000 divided by units, number of units, the difference of money and the units. 21,000 units. So 315 divided by 21, I get 15, which is VC per unit, variable cost per unit. Now, as you have got variable cost per unit, you can get the variable cost total. You can take either highest or lowest activity level. So let's take the highest one, which is 53,000 units. The total cost is given 20,000, but we know the variable cost per unit is 15 times by 15, so times 53,000, 795,000. 795,000 is your VC. Your TC, which is total cost, is 820,000, isn't it? It is given either here. Let me take the pen. It doesn't work. The pen, it tends to work, it doesn't, no matter. You can see here the arrow. And if you get the difference, 820,000, 25,000 should be your FC. 25,000 fixed cost. Now I have taken this one, the highest one, 2014. If you wish, you can take lowest one as well, this bit. Yeah, 32,000 you can work out, you can take it, you'll get the same figure. Let's see the answer. Yes, very similar things, highest and lowest activity level. They got the difference, they worked it out and got the variable cost per unit 15, and the total cost 820,000. You got the variable cost 53,000 units times 15. You get 795 is the variable cost, and fixed cost is the difference between total cost and variable cost. That's it. That's how you get it. If you want to know how to do with the lowest activity level, the lowest activity level is 32,000 and variable costs are 15. So the total cost given 505,000. Variable cost 480,000. Again, fixed cost is 25,000. As you know, fixed cost will remain fixed whatever the level of activity is. And that's your high-low method, everybody. Hope it helps.